Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a little video here for anybody that's looking around for a high quality coffee maker at an affordable price, competitive price if you will. This is under $140 delivered to my door. Very pleased with it. Right now I'm just cleaning it up. I don't even have any filters, so I can't use it till tomorrow, but that's all right. Just such a nice thing. Put the water in here. It's no nonsense, well built, made to last. The cord right here is, if you buy one of these, you'll know what I mean. It's heavy gauge. It's well made, easy to use. Very, very pleased with it. See, it's Webstrot Store is where I got mine, online. Again, less than $140. It's just a great thing and easy to use, and I think it's going to last me for years. And I hope you get you one. Hope you enjoy it, and you have a great day. Hello everyone.